Hello children, this is 8th standard maths. Chapter name is rational number. This is old textbook. So in this textbook, rational number is given as first chapter. I think in a new textbook, rational number is a second chapter. Now exercise 1.1. Here, first main, second main, third and fourth is completed. Find the multiplicative inverse. And now here fourth main. Now we are in a fourth main. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Write the additive inverse means we have to change the symbol. If it is in a 2 by 8 means we have to convert into positive into negative. If negative means we have to convert into positive. And here minus 6 by minus 5 means first we have to simplify. Minus 6 by minus 5 will become minus into minus is plus, no. So first it will become 6 by 5. Then we have to convert into additive inverse. First we have to simplify that. And third main is completed. Now fourth main, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. In that first question, minus 13. Now find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First question, minus 13. So minus 13 means what, children? It means minus 13 by 1 is there. Any number by below 1 is there. So this is in a number, integers. Now convert into rational numbers means it become minus 13 by 1. P by Q in the form. In the form of P by Q or rational numbers means it become minus 13 by 1. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means after multiplying these two, we have to get the product as 1. 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the any number. Now minus 13 by 1 into 1 by minus 13 means minus 1 by 13 means it become the negative numbers. Means in 1 by 13 means minus 13 means it become the 1 product as 1. Now reciprocal of reciprocal of minus 13 by 1 we have to write. Therefore multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 1 is multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 1 will become minus this symbol for a numerator. So we have to write that symbol for numerator only. 1 by 13. Don't change the reciprocal rate. Means numerator will become denominator. Denominator will become numerator. But when you are reciprocaling, don't reciprocate the symbol. Symbol should be on the same side. Okay. Minus 1 by 13. This is the answer. Multiplicative inverse. Now next question, second one, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. Now you have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. So it is in a rational form. Rational number means P by Q, in the form of P by Q. Now we have to write the multiplicative inverse of this number. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is, we have to reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. Above the number is become we have to write below, and below the number we have to write above one. Now above the line. Now minus, don't change the symbol. You should not change the symbol. If here numerator, symbol for numerator means we have to write for a numerator only. And 13 by 19 will become 19 by 13. Okay, 19 by 13. So what is mean by multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means multiply these two. The given number minus 13 by 19 minus 13 by 19 and reciprocal of that number minus 19 by 13. Okay, here 13 we can cancel, and 19 also we can cancel. Okay, 13 ones are 13 ones are 19 ones are 19 ones are, minus into minus is plus only. Answer is plus 1. Multiplicative inverse means after finding the product, the given number and with the reciprocal of them, after finding the product we have to get the product as 1. Then this is a multiplicative inverse. This is a multiplicative inverse. Now third question children, 1 by 5. We have to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of this? 1 by 5 will become 5 by 1. 5 by 1. So we can say 5 by 1 or just 5 is the answer. This is the answer. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 will become 5 by 1. So 1 ones are 1 5s are or 5 by 1 or we can say just 5. Now fourth question, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Now this question, multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. First simplify the product now. Minus 5 by 8, minus into minus will become plus. 5 3 is a 15. Okay, simplify this children. Now 8 into 7, 7 8 is a 56. Now multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56. Now we have to write. First simplify this. 5 by minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Simplify here. 5 3 is a 15. 8 7 is a 56. Now write the multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 15 by 56 will become 56 by 15. Reverse. Numerator will become denominator. Denominator will become numerator. So this is the answer. Now last question in that sixth one, multiplicative inverse of minus 1. Now minus 1 means minus 1 by 1 is there. Now multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 1 we have to write. So reciprocal of that is 1 by minus, same number will get minus 1 only. Reciprocal because we should not change the symbol, so we have to write minus here only, and this one is here and by 1. So answer is minus 1 only. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Now here fourth main is completed. Now fifth main, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. In that first question, minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal minus 4 by 5. Now let's recall this children. What is additive identity? When whole number is added to 0, its value remains unchanged. That is, if x is a whole number, then x plus 0. So x is a whole number. Means 1, 5, any numbers or 0. X plus 0 equal 0 plus x equal x only. In the whole number itself. That is additive identity. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. At the same time, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. When a whole number is multiplied by 1, any number whole number multiplied by 1, its value remain unchanged. That is, if x is a whole number, then x into 1, if any whole number from 0 to infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, any whole number, 5 into 1 is 5, 6 into 1 is 6, the whole number itself. Okay. Now, 7 into 1 is 7 example. This is whole number. Any number we multiply with 1, we get the whole number itself. 5 into 1 is 5. 9 into 1 is 9. 1 into 100 is 100. The number itself. Now next question is, name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So first question, minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal minus 4 by 5. Now we have to write which property is used here. Which property is in a minus 4 by 5 is multiplied with 1. So any rational number multiply with 1 is equal to 1 into rational number, the number itself, the rational number itself. So this is in multiplicative identity. So 1 is given. So 1 is a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. 1 is a multiplicative. Therefore, we can say this is in multiplicative identity. Identity. 1 is the multiplicator, and if any number, for example, any whole number multiply with the 1 means we get the whole number itself. At the same time, any rational number multiply with 1 is a rational number itself, is equal to 1 into rational number. So we can say the rational number itself. 1 is the, if any number multiply with 1 means it is in a multiplicative identity. Now next question, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. Observe the equation children here. Minus 13 by 17 is become next second term, minus 13 by 17, and minus 2 by 7 is here first term, minus 2 by 7. So this is in commutative of multiplication or commutative property, and him into symbols or commutative of multiplication, reversing numbers or letters, or reversing rational number here fraction. 13 into 2 by 7 will become 2 by 7 into 13 by 7, okay, with the symbol. So a into b is now here b into a. It is in the form of a into b is equal to b into a. So reversing or rearranging, reversing. So this is in commutative of multiplication. So this is in which property? This is in commutative of multiplication, because a into b is equal to b into a, just reversed. First term is now here second term, and second term is now here first term. Commutative of multiplication. So here third question, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal 1. So here minus 19 by 29 is reciprocal. Okay, minus 19 by 29 is now 29 by minus 19. So we can say write a symbol in a numerator or in a this side. Means after cancellation we should get the answer as 1. Multiplicative inverse means after product of two number, the product we should get as 1. If minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So minus 1 by minus 1 means it become plus only. So 19 minus 19, minus 19 cancel, 29 cancel. So answer is minus into plus is minus 1 by plus into minus is minus 1. So minus into minus is 1. This is the answer. Or we can say the both are cancel, 99 19, 29 cancel, answer is 1. So here we are reciprocally. Minus 19 by 29 is 29 by minus 19. Now this is in multiplicative inverse, means after simplification we should get answer as 1. Then it is in a multiplicative inverse. If any number or any whole number or any rational number multiply with 1 means we get the answer as the number itself, whole number or rational number itself. Then it is in a multiplicative identity. If after simplification answer is 1 means it is a multiplicative inverse, reciprocal, and answer is 1 means it is a multiplicative inverse. Now sixth main children, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Now sixth main, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So we have to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So first we have to write the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? 16 by, we can write 16 by minus 7, or the new symbol for a numerator only, minus 16 by 7. So it means minus into minus will become plus, and 16 cancel, 7 cancel. Okay, after simplification we should get the answer as 1. Product of this should be positive 1, not negative 1. Now multiply this 6 by 13. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Now reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7, or we can write 16 by minus 7 also. So minus 16 by 7 reciprocal of this. Now multiply with the 6 multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal. No? Now we know the reciprocal. Reciprocal is minus 16 by 7. Now 6 by 13 into reciprocal. Reciprocal of this is minus 16 by 7. Now 16 6 are how much? 16 6 are 16 6 are 96 and plus into minus is minus by 13 sevens are 91. 16 6 are 96. 13 sevens are 91. So answer is minus 96 by 91. This is the answer. Minus 96 by 91. Now next question, 7th one. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Now 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 has equal 1 by 3 into 6 4 by into 4 by 3. So this is in which property? If you listen the introduction part of this chapter means you know which property. Means here 1 by 3 after equal 1 by 3 6. 6 second term is 6. Third term is 4 by 3 here also 4 by 3. Then it means it look like a into b into c is equal to a into b into c only. A into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Here bracket for second and third term. Then here bracket for first and second term. Okay, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Here bracket for second and third term. Here bracket for first and second term. So this is an associative property. Associative property means numbers or letters are same in left and right side. Only changes in the bracket. Okay, if you are putting bracket for second and third, here we have to regroup or put bracket into first and second. Only changes in the bracket. Numbers or letters are one and the same. A, B, C. Here also A, B, C. So this is an associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication or associative property. This is an associative property.